Castor oil is a vegetable oil derived from the castor bean. This bean, native to Africa and India, has been prized for its medicinal properties for centuries. Ancient civilizations, including Egyptians and Greeks, used castor oil for various ailments. Today, castor oil remains a popular natural remedy. It's found in countless health and beauty products. Castor oil is renowned for its potential hair benefits. Rich in ricinoleic acid, castor oil is believed to promote hair growth. It may also help to strengthen hair strands, preventing breakage and split ends. Many people use castor oil as a hair mask, applying it to the scalp and hair for deep conditioning. Beyond hair, castor oil offers numerous benefits for the skin. Its moisturizing properties can soothe dry, irritated skin. Castor oil is also thought to possess anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, potentially aiding in the treatment of acne and other skin conditions. Some individuals use castor oil to reduce the appearance of scars and stretch marks. While often used topically, castor oil has also been traditionally used for internal health purposes. It's believed to act as a natural laxative, promoting bowel regularity. Additionally, some proponents suggest that castor oil may boost the immune system and reduce inflammation within the body. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before using castor oil internally. After using castor oil for 7 consecutive days, you might notice some changes. For hair, you may observe increased shine and softness. Your skin might feel more hydrated and supple. However, it's crucial to remember that individual results can vary. 7 days is a relatively short time frame, and significant changes may take longer to manifest. Potential side effects: using castor oil responsibly. While generally considered safe for topical use, castor oil can cause side effects in some individuals. It's important to be aware of these potential reactions to ensure you use the oil safely and effectively. These may include skin irritation, which can manifest as a mild to severe rash, redness or itching. In some cases, the skin may become inflamed or develop small bumps. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use and consult with a dermatologist. They can provide guidance on how to treat the irritation and suggest alternative products that may be more suitable for your skin type. It's always advisable to perform a patch test before applying castor oil to a large area of skin. To do this, apply a small amount of the oil to a discrete area, such as the inside of your wrist or the back of your hand, and wait 24 hours to see if any reaction occurs. Additionally, always read the label and ingredients list on your castor oil product. Some formulations may contain additional ingredients that could cause sensitivity or allergic reactions. After applying castor oil, make sure to wash your hands thoroughly to avoid accidentally transferring the oil to your eyes or other sensitive areas. When using castor oil, a little goes a long way. Start with a small amount and gradually increase as needed, paying close attention to how your skin responds. Proper storage of castor oil is also important. Keep the bottle tightly closed and store it in a cool, dark place to maintain its efficacy and prevent it from going rancid. By following these guidelines, you can enjoy the benefits of castor oil while minimizing the risk of side effects. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so what works for one person may not work for another. Incorporate castor oil into your self-care routine thoughtfully and monitor your skin's reaction over time. This way, you can make informed decisions about its continued use. Sharing your experiences with friends or online communities can also provide valuable insights and tips on how to use castor oil effectively and safely. Keep track of any changes in your skin's condition and note any patterns that may emerge. This can help you identify whether castor oil is beneficial for you in the long term. With careful and responsible use, castor oil can be a valuable addition to your skincare regimen, helping you achieve healthy, radiant skin. Castor oil and pregnancy. A note of caution: pregnant women should avoid using castor oil. It has laxative properties that could potentially stimulate uterine contractions. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, it's best to err on the side of caution and avoid castor oil altogether. Always consult with your doctor before using any new products or remedies during pregnancy. Incorporating castor oil into your routine. There are numerous ways to incorporate castor oil into your health and beauty routine. Castor oil, derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, has been used for centuries for its myriad of benefits. Its versatility makes it a staple in many households. For hair, you can use it as a hot oil treatment. This method involves warming the oil slightly and then massaging it into your scalp and hair. The warmth helps to open up the hair cuticles, allowing the oil to penetrate deeply, providing intense hydration and nourishment. This can be particularly beneficial for those with dry or damaged hair. Alternatively, you can add a few drops to your shampoo. This is a great way to incorporate the benefits of castor oil into your regular hair care routine without adding an extra step. Simply mix a few drops into your shampoo bottle and shake well. This can help to boost the moisturizing properties of your shampoo, leaving your hair feeling softer and more manageable. For skin, apply a small amount directly to dry areas. Castor oil is known for its rich, thick consistency, which makes it an excellent moisturizer for dry skin. It can help to soothe and hydrate rough patches, leaving your skin feeling smooth and supple. Alternatively, you can mix it with a carrier oil for a moisturizing massage. Carrier oils like coconut oil, almond oil, or jojoba oil can help to dilute the castor oil, making it easier to spread over larger areas of the body. This combination can provide a luxurious, spa-like experience at home, leaving your skin feeling deeply nourished and pampered. Castor oil can also be used to promote the growth of eyebrows and eyelashes. Simply dip a clean mascara wand or cotton swab into the oil and apply it to your brows and lashes before bed. Over time, you may notice your brows and lashes becoming thicker and more defined. Additionally, castor oil can be used to nourish and strengthen your nails and cuticles. Massage a small amount into your cuticles and nails daily to help prevent dryness and promote healthy nail growth. With so many uses, incorporating castor oil into your routine can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your health and beauty regimen. Whether you use it for your hair, skin, nails, or lashes, this versatile oil can provide numerous benefits, making it a valuable addition to your daily routine. Conclusion: the enduring power of castor oil. Castor oil is an ancient remedy that continues to be valued for its versatility and potential health benefits. From promoting hair growth to moisturizing skin and potentially aiding digestion, castor oil has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. Its rich history dates back to ancient Egypt, where it was used for its healing properties and even as a fuel for lamps. Today, it remains a popular choice for those seeking natural solutions to common health and beauty concerns. Castor oil offers a natural approach to wellness. Its unique composition, rich in ricinoleic acid, makes it a powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial agent. This means it can help soothe irritated skin, reduce acne, and even fight off bacterial infections. Many people swear by its ability to promote hair growth, making it a go-to remedy for those looking to achieve thicker, healthier locks. Additionally, castor oil is often used as a natural laxative, providing relief for those suffering from constipation. However, as with any natural remedy, it's crucial to use castor oil responsibly. While it offers numerous benefits, it's important to be aware of potential side effects and interactions with other medications. For instance, ingesting large amounts of castor oil can lead to digestive discomfort, including nausea and diarrhea. It's also essential to perform a patch test before applying it to your skin, as some individuals may experience allergic reactions. Consulting with a healthcare professional is always a wise step if you have any concerns or pre-existing conditions. They can provide personalized advice and ensure that castor oil is a safe and effective option for you. In conclusion, the enduring power of castor oil lies in its versatility and natural benefits. Whether you're looking to enhance your beauty routine, support your digestive health, or simply explore natural remedies, castor oil remains a timeless and valuable resource. Embrace its potential, but always prioritize safety and informed usage. As we wrap up our journey through the remarkable world of castor oil, it's clear that this ancient remedy holds a special place in both history and modern wellness. Its versatility, from hair care to skin care and beyond, showcases its enduring appeal and effectiveness. Remember, while castor oil offers numerous benefits, responsible and informed usage is key. Always consider your unique needs and consult with a healthcare professional if necessary. Thank you for joining us in exploring the enduring power of castor oil. Until next time, stay curious and embrace the natural wonders around you.